Hey guys, we're back with another video. Today we'll be learning how to solve simultaneous equations. There are two types of simultaneous equations, linear and quadratic. Firstly, we'll be looking at linear simultaneous equations. This is where two lines intersect each other. The coordinate is the solution to the linear simultaneous equation. For our first example, we will be solving a linear equation. Here are the two lines of which we must find the point of intersection for. We must rearrange both the equations so that we can use the substitution method for solving it. Once we make y the subject of the formula, we can substitute it into the other equation. Like we see, y is equal to 4 minus x. What we do, we just take that and we put it into the equation. Now, it's just a simple linear equation that can be solved. Once we get the value of x, we must substitute it into any equation to get the value of y. In this case, x is equal to 1. This can be substituted into the equation y is equal to 2x plus 1, where x is 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Y is equal to 3. Here we have another example. We will use a different method called elimination to remove one of the variables, x or y, from the equation and again make it into a linear equation which can be easily solved. To do this, we must make one of the variables have the same value, in this case x. So we will multiply the top equation by 2 and the bottom one by 5. Now we must remove one of the variables by subtracting both the equations. This will only give us one variable to work with, which is easy to solve. Now we have minus 22y, which equals to minus 660. To get y, we must divide minus 660 by minus 22, which equals 30. Now, to get the x value, we must substitute in the y value into the equation. Finally, to get the final x value, we must simplify it. Now we will be learning about quadratic simultaneous equations. This is where there's a curve and a line that intersects it. There will be two coordinates where the line intersects it. For this question, we will be using the substitution method. To do the substitution method, we must rearrange one of the variables so that we can input it into the other equation. In this case, we will rearrange for x and substitute it into the other equation. Now we must expand the double brackets by using the FOIL method. Finally, we must simplify this quadratic equation so we can find the two possible values for y. Now we must use the quadratic equation to find both the values of y, which is 3 and 1/3. Like before, we must substitute in the y value so that we can find the respective x values. Now we must write the intersection values as coordinates. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.